Hello guys, I'm back with a new video. Today I'll show you the odometer blocker for the Porsche Cayenne. At the very beginning, I'll tell you what you get when you purchase the product, what tools you'll need for installation, and also discuss the device's activation and operating modes. So let's start the installation. Most odometer blockers should be installed behind the speedometer, on the main cable of the system. To do this, we need to disassemble the dashboard, remove all the plastic covers and screws around the speedometer, and take out the speedometer. Using a plastic removal tool, remove this dashboard cover on the driver's side, and then use a screwdriver to remove this screw under it. And this cover will also be removed. Repeat the same on the passenger side of the dashboard. Remove this cover, the screw under it, and this cover will be removed along its entire length. Then, we remove the cover above the steering wheel. Then, these two screws. The second screw is located near the OBD port. Then we remove the screws along the length of the steering wheel and these two panels, the ventilation and gear selector panel. After all this, we get to the speedometer. After removing this plastic cover and screws, we can freely remove the speedometer panel. This is the main cable. Let's remove and connect our odometer blocker exactly like this. Connect the white pin-shaped plug of the blocker to the main cable, and connect the blue-headed plug of the blocker to the speedometer panel. That's all. Place the blocker cable in a free place between the cables, return all the details to their places, and activate the device. The device can be activated by pressing the return button for 7 seconds, or with the SKF Speed V2 application, which you can download to your smartphone. I will also tell you about the modes. The turn lights flash briefly according to the currently selected mode. Mode 1, 1x flashing. Mode 2, 2x flashing, etc. Repeat the same process to switch from mode to mode. Mode 1. Only 50% of the actual mileage is recorded. The speedometer and all assistance systems work flawlessly. The warning light only flashes inside the vehicle 1x. Mode 2. Only 10% of the actual mileage is recorded. The speedometer and all assistance systems work flawlessly. The warning light flashes 2x. Mode 3. No covered mileage is recorded. The speedometer and all assistance systems work flawlessly. The warning light flashes 3x. Mode 4. The device is deactivated. The speedometer and odometer continue working as usual. The warning light flashes 4x.